100% commissions on the front end on day 1. 50% commission on the back end funnel up to $435. Give your clients step-by-step instructions to master your Blue product setup. Help your clients understand how to maximize sales using overlooked built-in Blue features. Teach your clients how to build funnels fast in Blue and make more sales. Say your Fortune ID Corp. For those that don't know me, my name is Ashish Navid Sale of Fortune ID Corp. I'm a successful digital marketer, tech entrepreneur over more than 13 years of experience in the field. Over the past few years, I have created the official training courses and presentations for some very successful products. Now, I am using those same skills, for which I charge thousands of dollars, to provide you with outstanding, beautifully crafted training PLR products that your subscribers will love. To that end, I have just launched Hero PLR and will be bringing you Super PLR products you can sell to your list for super results. It's called Pay for Claim and you can earn bonus cash based on your sales performance. From the day of the launch, we'll pay a special sales bonus for the following 14 days. What exactly does that mean? Promote hard during the 4-day launch and you can earn as much as you want over the entire 2-week period, but you must promote during the launch to qualify. Cash bonuses are based on your entire sales volume during the 14-day period from April 9 to April 22nd. All sales during that period will count toward the bonus. There's room for everyone with this promotion with a minimum of 25 sales. Truly, you can earn as much as you want with this incentive. Move to the next level for even more cash. The top converting product. The hot niche is your gateway to be a success online.